Welcome to Cien.ai's GTM Heatmap analysis training series. In this video, we will show how to quickly test a hypothesis in the growth category segmentation in SAM. One common problem is reps being assigned a large number of accounts with low success propensity. While it may seem like they have many opportunities at their disposal, the lack of high-quality prospects makes it difficult to drive growth. To address this, we'll first identify the TrueAI KPIs that align with this hypothesis. These KPIs are outlined in the GTM Heatmap analysis process deck and include quality buckets and time spent. TrueAI KPIs are designed to measure the underlying causes of business challenges from top-down perspective. First, look at the definition. This KPI is defined as the percentage of accounts that fall into the highest high and mid-quality buckets relative to the total number of accounts. And next, refer to Section B for an example of a bad scenario where most accounts are of low quality. In Section C, you'll find an example of a good scenario. Then, navigate to the strategy report. In the criteria tab, ensure that the analysis period is correctly selected. By default, it is recommended to use data from the last full year. Then we will go to the tab segmentation by quality and look for the prospecting analysis. Now we identify the number of leads and accounts that fall into highest high and mid quality buckets. When we sum these values and divide the total by the number of all accounts. For this company, the result is 0.7, meaning that 70% of the accounts are classified within the high quality buckets. We will then input these values into the Heatmap worksheet. With the reference value as 65% and a standard deviation of 15%, the score is 60 considering a normal distribution. So we can now visualize the results as normal distribution. The industry average for this KPI is 65%, corresponding to a score of 50. The company we are analyzing has a 70% result, which translates to a score of 70. This indicates that leads and account quality is not a problematic area. The next, we move on to TrueAI KPI number 2, time spent. Navigate to the strategy report segmentation quality new business tab to continue the analysis. TrueAI KPI 2 measures the time spent prospecting within the highest high and mid quality buckets as a percentage of the total time spent. To calculate this, we sum the time spent in the highest high and mid quality buckets, then divide by the total time spent prospecting. For this company, the result is 0.77, meaning that 77% of prospecting time is focused on these higher quality buckets. We then input this value into our Heatmap worksheet, resulting in a score of 70. On a normal distribution with 15% of standard deviation, the company is above industry average, showing good company performance in this matter. Combining the score from both TrueAI KPIs, we obtain the hypothesis score. Qualitative context plays a role, and scores might be adjusted when considering company-specific context. For example, if their performance compared with previous year has changed, this hypothesis will be flagged as disproved, showing the company is above industry average. The RevOps team can now dig deeper. The same analysis can be done by geography, role, or function. Additional ideas for research and transformation are included in the Heatmap process. That wraps up this quick hypothesis verification. Stay tuned for our next video in the series, where we'll explore another key hypothesis. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out.